Hello everybody, today we are trying out some caramel apples. Alright, these are caramel apples KC brand. It says America's favorite caramel apple. We're going to try these out. They're from Walmart. We got them at Walmart in the produce section. Alright, here we go. Everyone gets a plate. If I can get the plate off out there. There we go. And then I'll start serving them. One for Carson. One for Kyrie.
So good.
Got caramel on my hand. Oops. Yeah, we got this extra pack here. They don't make it easy to open, do they? Zip everywhere. There we go.
And one for me.
Yeah. Hold on.
One for Dad.
Jazzy.
Mommy.
One for Alex. And one for me. Mommy don't like apples, so she ain't get no apples. There we go. Alright, everybody, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's try out these things. So we can get no apple yet. I got peanuts and caramel.
I only got skin.
Is it good?
So far. Again, that's more candies.
Alright.
Jazzy, what do you think about it? Kyrie, what do you think about it? Alex, what do you think about it?
Good.
Carson?
So good.
Very delicious. My apple fell off my stick.
Cool. I don't know yet.
Didn't try it yet.
You didn't try the apple yet?
You said so good. Do you need to try it yet?
The caramel so good?
Trying to get to the apple. Is it good?
Isn't it caramel?
You didn't even get to the apple yet.
Caramel, yeah.
That's it.
Is it good though? Yeah.
I had to wash my damage because it's getting really.
No, I ain't gonna wash your damage.
It's a little bit sour. The apple is.
What is it?
It's a green apple.
Oh, my apple everywhere.
Mine's a red apple. See, mine's a green apple. I think it's sour apple.
Mine's red.
Mine's wet. Mine's red. You can see mine.
Yep.
Mine's green. I think it's sour apple.
Oh.
Yeah!
Alright.
Because it tastes sour a little bit.
Yours is a red apple.
Mine's green and everyone else's is red. And Kylie's is red.
So you got like a Granny Smith apple or something.
Red.
Which is the kind of apple.
Okay. Okay, next. I think it's sour.
You like it, Jazzy?
Yeah. The boy didn't see that.
Alright everybody, what do we say?
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're on YouTube, and if you're on Facebook, don't forget to like and follow. Have a good night.